Hello students, in my previous video I will describe about energy, sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable source of energy. These all sources of energy which are present in huge amount never get finished due to continuous use for long time are called renewable source of energy. As for example, solar energy, hydroelectricity, wind energy, these sources of energy are called renewable source of energy. It is present in enormous amount such that due to continuous use for long time, it never get finished. And that type of source of energy can be replaced again easily in short period of time. Some sources of energy which are present on earth surface in a limited amount such that due to continuous use for long time, if it get finished, then these sources are called non-renewable source of energy, and it can't be replaced again in short period of time. And also we discuss about solar energy or the sun. The sun is main source of energy on the earth surface. It is ultimate source of energy. Why? Because all sources available on the earth surface are dependent on solar energy or outcome of solar energy. Therefore, the sun is called main source of energy. And today we discuss about more renewable source of energy. As for example, second source is your hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity can be obtained from hydropower plant, and hydropower plant generate electrical energy from running water or moving water that possesses kinetic energy. And how hydroelectricity produced? At first, water collected at higher altitude, which is known as a dam. In a dam, water is collected, and then through the tunnel from higher altitude, water flow to lower here given that here altitude, or through slope that dam water is passed, and it flow to lower altitude, then it possesses kinetic energy. And after that here turbine is kept in path of here flowing water, and that turbine remains connected to the generator or hydropower plant. That hydropower plant convert that kinetic energy to electrical energy, and that electrical energy supplied for your domestic use and industrial use. In this way, hydropower plant convert river water or kinetic energy found in river water to electrical energy, and here electrical energy is produced or electricity produced there. And in dam, water collected from a river. And in this way, how we define hydroelectricity? Listen, electricity obtained from flowing water of river is called hydroelectricity. Hydropower plant convert kinetic energy to electrical energy. That electrical energy or hydroelectricity is most popular source of energy. Day by day its consumption is going increasing because it is a renewable source of energy. River water never get finished. It get what completed or river get filled again due to water cycle, and in this way we can produce again and again electricity from here moving water. And in context of Nepal, there is high possibility of hydroelectricity in the Nepal. What in our country there is high possibility of hydroelectricity. Why? Because Nepal is second richest country in water resources. First reason is Nepal is rich in water resources. Others is here most of the river in the Nepal flow from Himalaya region to Tarai, or it is also known as geographical variation. Geographical variation causes there is high or potentiality of hydroelectricity in Nepal. And what is potentiality? About 83,000 megawatt possibility of hydroelectricity found in different river of Nepal. And here, due to that reason, government of Nepal should focus on development of hydropower plant. And here we write in context of Nepal, government should invest in hydropower plant. And why it is so? Why it is government of Nepal should invest in hydropower plant? That is due to first reason is there is high possibility or potentiality of hydroelectricity in the river of Nepal. Other we can also write it is a renewable source of energy. And second reason is hydroelectricity is renewable and pollution free source of energy, and due to that here it is also eco-friendly. And third reason we can write here, electricity produced from hydropower plant is AC, or alternating current. Alternating current is used in various fields. Its voltage can be increased or decreased according to our needs by application of transformer. It can be used in various fields. What are these fields? For domestic use, industrial use, commercial use, for various purposes that hydroelectricity can be used. Therefore, government of Nepal should invest in development of hydroelectricity. Other hydroelectricity or production of hydroelectricity is also, we can call it, advantageous and disadvantageous both. Advantage of hydroelectricity or hydropower plant. Cost of production becomes too low in long term. In the long term, generally it becomes cheaper, and here also we can write it is cheaper source of energy. Once invested in a hydropower plant, it lasts for a long time. Other we can write it is renewable and pollution-free source. Other we can write worldwide, due to consumption of or increasing consumption of fossil fuel causes, in a near future there may shortage of source of energy takes place, which is known as energy crisis. And here we write it prevent from energy crisis. And in this way, what we can say that here it is advantageous also. And here its electricity can be used for various purposes. After that, here some disadvantage also found in hydroelectricity. These are called disadvantage of hydroelectricity are it destroy large forest or land for construction of dam and supply of electricity. Or during construction of a dam, large area get covered by water and mostly forest get destroyed, agriculture land get destroyed. Other year it needs more capital and skilled manpower during construction. During construction, it needs skilled manpower, which is listen, which is expensive in international market and modern. Here given technology needed, there is a lack of here technology causes also it is difficult to establish hydropower plant. Third, we can write it needs modern technology during construction and supply. And in this way, we can describe about hydropower plant, its process of production, advantage and disadvantage. After that, we discuss about next type of renewable source of energy, wind energy. And third is here wind energy. Wind energy is also source of or a renewable source of energy because it is obtained from moving air which never get finished. And here we can define it: energy obtained from moving air is called wind energy. And how moving air change into energy form? The generally windmill used to convert wind energy to electrical energy, or wind energy can be used with help of windmill. That windmill contains rotating turbine connected to the pole and kept on higher altitude on top of mountain and hills where wind always blow. There is high energy kinetic energy in air. And when wind blow, listen, then it causes turbine get rotated and that get fitted with dynamo or a generator which convert electrical energy, and that can be used as a source of energy. Electricity can be produced, or directly it can be used in windmill also. Windmill is used to grind food materials also, or that remains connected with a grinder and which can be directly utilized. And in this way, moving air can be changed into other form of energy and can be applied easily. There is high possibility of wind energy in Nepal. In the Nepal. Why in Nepal there is a high possibility? Because or direct we can write because large number of high hills are found. Nepal is left here mountainous country, most of the area covered by high hills and mountain, and here large number of high hills are found. On the top of these hills there is high potentiality of wind energy. When we go higher altitude than Mahabharat range, then what we found that wind always blow by high speed, and that on that place we can easily generate wind energy, and therefore there is a high possibility of wind energy in our country. In the next video we discuss about more source of energy like alternative source of energy, nuclear energy, and then about biogas or biofuel, some nuclear, some non-renewable source of energy like a fossil fuel. Thank you.